Did you know that almost every day people are sued because of claims of sexual harassment or retaliation? These complaints cost companies millions of dollars. Trust me, these are not generally budgeted line items. Although sexual harassment makes the news almost daily, many people really aren't clear about what it is, and more importantly, what their legal responsibilities are when they see or observe, hear, or are told about a harassment complaint. In Merit Career Development's 90-minute Harassment Avoidance and Retaliation Prevention Workshop that we created with the legal experts from Ufberg & Associates, your team will learn what is harassment, the different types of harassment, management's legal responsibilities when a harassment complaint is observed or even mentioned, the risk factors in your workplace that enable harassment to occur, and what you can do about it. Don't let harassment problems derail your business. Why not contact MER today and we'll help you determine how and when to get started.